Hello friends, welcome to my channel The Knowledge Adda. So today I will discuss about a AI application. By using that AI you can check whether the content is taken from ChatGPT, Google Gemini, Cloud, Grok. Means basically you can verify your text. This text या content is written by a human या just copy paste from any other AI. And there is a very simple process. And just I want to say one thing: the result of that particular AI, we cannot say this is 100% correct, but at least we can get some idea. Yes, our text is written by human or just taken by from any AI or any content creation tool. So we can basically check. And before taking the name of that particular AI, I have checked near about to 5 to 6 AI application, and also I have noticed the responses. So some AI is supporting till some limitation. They have some limitation. Yes, limitation of words. How many words you can check, and for accuracy, minimum how many words you have to provide them. But this AI, which I am going to discuss, is very good from the others. The name of that particular AI tool is Zero GPT. In Google, you can find many AI tools with the similar name, as like GPT Zero and GPT Checker, something like this. But I like this application very much. There is two reason. One reason is here you can paste text and there is no any limitation. Okay, you can paste many times. Okay, there is a limitation of 15,000 characters. Yes, here you have to allow at least provide 15,000 text. Beyond this, you have to upgrade. If you are upgrading this application, so you can check near about 3 lakh 50,000 characters in one paste. And also here you can upload the file, and there is some other facility as like humanize this text. So that basically that is not free of cost. For this you have to subscribe. You have to get take subscription of this AI. Now let's check how this particular AI works, how we are going to find out. So as we know, if you see the content of Chat GPT, there are some no a pattern. So by using that particular pattern, this AI is going to detect. So just I am showing example. Here you can see this is generated by Chat GPT, and just I am copying and pasting here. Now detect the test. So here you can see 100% text is generated by ChatGPT, and these highlights line represent yes, this text is taken by ChatGPT. Here you can see highlighted text is suspected to be most likely generated by AI. Okay, I am not saying the result is 100% correct, but at least you can get idea because I have shown the example. Now taking um, second example. Here, dear all, just I have generated a notice. Now let's copy and paste here. Okay, just copy and paste. Take test. Now this is also 100% AI GPT because I am copying from this text. Okay, now just take some other data. Um, uh, let's see APAR ID explain. Okay, so copying this data, again check. So here also it's also 84.68% because here some can be same as like human generated, some can be as like AI generated generation. In some cases, okay. So what I'm saying, at least from this you can get idea. Yes, how much tax someone has just taken from the chat GPT. If you want to check something, so you can set a bar as like 80%. If the output is more than 80% means there is some text or content taken from the chat GPT. So by copying and paste, you can check. Okay, so now let me check some other data. Okay, so let me find some handwritten content. Okay, so we can verify, yes, how perfectly this is working. So okay, let me check the PPT. And also I'm going to show how you can check uh, by uploading the file also. I think there is no, okay. I think this text is also taken from the chat GPT. Okay, let me check. Your text is human written means 0%. Okay, means all the text is human written. Okay, because this PPT I have created. Now let's check for this text. So you can get idea ki how it's work. I have copy paste here 0%. Okay, now again let me take this example. So here just I'm copying this and text. So 100% we get. Now by uploading a file also you can check. So here just I'm going to upload my resume to check. So here you can see your file content is human written, only 5.47% seems it is taken from the chat GPT or any AI tool. So means my main aim is to say that कि by using this AI, at least you can verify your text or your content. कि this is taken from chat GPT or not. How this is beneficial? At least there are many students who are just going to submit their assignment by using ChatGPT or Google Gemini. So at least you can verify okay, how much effort student has just put in that particular assignment. So this is all about this application. Hope you understand okay, how this application is going to work and how you can utilize to check your content. So thank you for watching this video. Thank you.